Kids Old School.
Hey, Ben! Have you heard about the school party next Friday?
Yeah, I heard about it. It's going to be epic, right?
Totally! I can't wait. I heard they're going to have a DJ and everything.
No way! That's awesome! I hope they play some of my favorite songs.
Me too! And I heard there's going to be a photo booth too. We can take cool pictures with our friends.
Sweet! I'm definitely getting dressed up for that. Do you know if there's going to be food?
I think so. Last time they had pizza and snack. It was so good.
Nice! I'm already hungry just thinking about it.
Ha ha ha.
Hey, are you going with anyone?
Not sure yet. Maybe I'll go with Sarah and Emma. What about you? I might go with Jack and Luke. It'll be fun to hang out together.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, and don't forget about the dance competition. I heard there are prizes for the best dancers.
Really? That sounds awesome. I'm definitely joining in.
Same here. It's going to be the best party ever. Totally agree. I can't wait for next Friday.
Yep, see you there. It's going to be epic.